So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in task manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on startup apps. So for example, in my case, when my computer turns on, Microsoft Edge automatically starts up. And I know it does that because under status, it says enabled. I don't want it to do that, so I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. You want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. You want to find sysmain. We're going to scroll down till we find sysmain. Double click on that. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service stopped, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will now unselect everything. Now once everything has been unselected, now you want to click on custom. You want to select show thumbnails instead of icons, and under it you want to select smooth edges of screen fonts. So you want to untick everything and then select these two and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once you complete that scan, now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.